Hello there, my beautiful butterfly in the works. So, here we are, entering Module 2. So, by now, you should have entered the south of the medicine wheel. You should have learned what are the three core life issues that you're going to be working on, and you should have begun to understand through your sand paintings how those three medicine stones, those three kuyas, can help you resolve those three life issues. Because now, as we deepen the work of the South and as we enter the West and do the work of the West, you're going to really fully learn how to let go of the past. You're going to learn how to achieve higher states of consciousness with breathwork, meditation, and energy. You're going to learn a cord cutting ceremony to help release attachments to the past or to other people or situations. You're going to start developing your own creative practice, whether that's writing, drawing, dancing, singing, cooking, baking, gardening, whatever. You're going to start to develop those or reclaim them if they've been stagnant for a while. You're going to learn the wisdom teachings of the South and of the West. You'll learn how to perform a shamanic illumination and a shamanic extraction. You'll learn about the 7 toxic emotions and how to heal them. You'll learn about Buddha's 4 Noble Truths. You'll learn how to create your own rite of passage. You'll learn how to write and rewrite a fairy tale about your life. You'll learn how to redefine the word miracle for yourself, and you will learn how to face death. So hang on, baby. This is where we start to really see how deep this work can go. So be kind to yourself during this time, because we are preparing ourselves to be in the cocoon. And so this is where we are learning how to walk with protection and learning how to draw on that open-hearted courage full of love and compassion and forgiveness for ourselves and for everyone. So right now, there's only 2 books I want you to focus on. The first one is, you've already maybe started reading it. This is the one about the journey of soul initiation. Just get as far along into it as you can as you prepare for the 3rd module to go into the cocoon. And the other one that's important, and it should be a nice break from that one, is Alberto's book of the Illumination process, which I really see as this sort of guide to your soul's evolution, sort of stages of your soul's evolution. So here we are, deep in the work. Once again, be good to yourself, be kind to yourself, be patient with yourself. Let's dig in. Cheers.